incredible. Oh my gosh, lots of thin branches. Oh gosh. Oh no. Okay guys, today we're gonna try something a little bit different. We got a little bit of snow here today, and I thought I would get the Kalk and the Skydio out to see how it does in the snow. Not a whole lot of snow, but should be enough to have a little bit of fun. I'm sure it's a little bit slippery. It just stopped snowing, still snowing just a tiny bit. Hopefully it doesn't interfere with the tracking or the sensors on the Skydio. It's about 20 degrees outside as well. This is my first time flying the Skydio in the neighborhood. There's a lot of trees with thin branches. Hopefully that's not going to be an issue. Oh yeah, it's slick. Woo! Slick! Oh, it is slippery. Try not to fall down this hill here. All right. Whoa. Woo. Ooh, it's slick. You know, this tire isn't really bad in the snow at all. Definitely slippery, but really not too bad. Woo! Woo! Whew. Pretty cool. You know, I don't have a lot of open space around me, but I do got this little open field behind my house, so it's kind of cool. Whoa. Tire's actually a lot better in the snow than I thought. Whew. Roosting it. That's fun. Oh my gosh, don't hit that tree, please. Oh shit. Woo! Gotta remember not to get in the brakes too hard anyways. Oh, Skydio, you scare me. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's a lot of thin branches. Crazy, Skydio, you crazy. My goodness. Oh my goodness, so sketchy. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's a lot of thin branches. Crazy, Skydio, you crazy. My goodness. Oh my goodness, so sketchy. Oh my gosh, thin branches, thin branches. I was holding the front brake a little bit. It would have hooked up better. Just want to get some roosting in, you know. Skydio's at 35% battery after about 15 minutes. It is cold. Oh shoot. Oh, there you are. Thought you were gonna lose me, buddy. Oh my goodness, thin branches. Holy cow. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Holy cow. This thing is incredible. Oh my gosh, lots of thin branches. Oh gosh. Oh no. Get out of there, dude. Okay, it got itself out. So drifty. Woo! Man, the suspension on this bike is just incredible. Tire is actually pretty damn good. All right, I'm gonna bring this thing in for a landing. Not bad. Not bad at all. This thing is amazing. Whew, it's cold. I think I might just wrap this one up here. Wish there was some more open spaces around here, but there's just not. I really appreciate all the people watching the videos and liking and commenting. I know my channel's not very big, but the few people that do comment and like, it's really awesome. Really motivates me to do more. I enjoy doing this stuff anyways, even if nobody watched, but it's just all that much more better when people do enjoy the content. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. It's cool putting yourself out there, posting stuff up on YouTube, and hopefully helping other people in the process. Woo, rip. So yeah, thanks a lot for everyone who's been watching, and hope that you guys stay tuned for more. Hope you're all doing well, enjoying life, finding ways to get out and enjoy the outdoors or anything through all this craziness. If you have any questions about the Kalk bike or the Skydio 2 drone, let me know. Also wanted to add that I was using the Polar Pro ND8 filter today because of how bright it is. People are probably like, what the hell? Yeah, thanks again, and we'll see you next time.